What is up everyone, this is Bernard C here from the MarketSolvers, and I will be continuing the tutorial on how to build a simple funnel system that works for you. On the last part, I've shown everyone how to build a simple opt-in page with a pop-up form integrated to collect user details. If you have not watched this video, please feel free to click the link on top of the video and watch it first before coming to this second part. And today, we'll be covering the main landing page, which is your sales page, and also create a unique checkout button for your payment gateway. So for the payment gateway, I'll be using Stripe to integrate with my InstaFunnels account for demo purposes, and will show you how it's done. So for Stripe account creation and setup methods, you can refer to other people's video. I believe that there are many other videos that already teach you the basics on how to set up your own Stripe account. If you didn't know, then I will give you the links, which I will post in the description either above or below this video. Without further ado, let's begin. So I'm back again to InstaFunnels interface, and this is our opt-in page that we have completed in the previous part of the video. So now I'll add a new step, which is our main sales page. Let's make the main sales page, and the rest we can leave it blank. Create the step. Okay, we have the sales page up already, and now we add another one. I call it the thank you page. So why we need a thank you page? This page is to actually notify the visitor or perhaps your customer the moment they finish purchasing a product. This page should be able to notify them that the transaction is successful. So you will need a thank you page to let them know that they have successfully purchased your stuff and the money doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so I'll create the step for thank you page. Alright, so we'll move on to the sales page first. Just click the edit page right here. And once we go in, so the template for the sales page is similar to the opt-in page. So I won't be explaining much about it since I think part 1 has covered most of the stuff. Okay, we'll just add the necessary elements. Get a headline, get a video, maybe a sub-headline as well to explain your stuff. So I'll leave the copywriting to you as usual. You just need to add in the content and also the words that is required based on the product and services you sell, right? So in this case, we have a digital product, so just describe in your own words why they should buy your product right now. Okay, so make the video smaller, 3/4, yeah, that should do. Okay, so do note that we'll be adding a payment button, so I won't be using the button widget from this InstaFunnels. Instead, I'll use a customized button from Stripe, which we'll be showing you later. Okay, so this one maybe we can go for, okay, this will be a redirect button. The next one will be the payment button, of course. Okay, maybe say there's something that I want to buy now. Okay, there's a bit of margin. Alright, I have this simple thing ready. Then usually they will have, most landing pages, they'll probably have something that explains below in further depth aside from just the video alone. So I'm just going through things. Okay, so this, and maybe talking about the offer right here. I think we image to load. Okay. Yeah, talking about the stuff. Yeah, why you're displaying what is your stuff all about. Maybe a bit of a paragraph. Okay, just explain more. And probably aside from the product here, you definitely have something like testimonials, etc., etc. So the layout for this more or less similar to similar to the part where, I mean, the layout will be similar to the elements. This maybe you have another column here and so on. I think just for demonstration's sake, I will just add on another one as well. Okay, I'll just to distinguish this, maybe testimonials, just like that. Just want to show it to you guys what I meant by that. Okay, so aside from this, you have maybe another two column. Okay, maybe this is person 1, action headline, then you have maybe a paragraph again talking about why your stuff is good. Then try to add a spacing, something like this. And you can of course make things faster, just duplicate things. Okay, and we can swap this around. Alright, there's something like this for testimonials. Okay, looks a bit odd from mobile. Seems like I have to change things a bit. Okay, no choice, I guess I have to keep it consistent for mobile's sake. Okay, so we have testimonials like this just to convince the customer that your stuff is awesome and you can actually try it before. Okay, once you're done, definitely this button I'll redirect to a payment button. So for payment button, we use a proper Stripe payment button. Okay, that element, definitely to custom button here. Alright, we have this stuff, this and that. What to buy now? Okay, we just redirect, scroll to element, make sure that it's redirecting to the right element. Okay, this one. So what I just did is that I will read. Whenever user click this button, you immediately scroll them down to this payment button that I made. So to generate the payment button, you will need a Stripe account. So as I mentioned before, I'll be using a Stripe payment gateway. So this is the Stripe. I already logged into my own Stripe payment gateway, and I've created a temporary product just to show the entire process. So now we have this. And of course, to generate a payment gateway from hosted in Stripe, just have to click 3 dots right here. Click that and get checkout code snippet. So once you have this, you'll probably need to copy. Done. Go back to the builder, and you have to paste the customized code. Open the code editor, paste it. Alright. So because my URL is a bit different, so I'll need to change the URL a bit. I'll get back to it soon, since I need to copy the URL first, the link for this page and the link for the thank you page. So it's gonna take a while. Let me save this page first. Okay, saving done. Now we have to go to this preview. I will just get I'll get this link. I'll just paste it here. So the number that you see is just a Stripe test credit card. We'll be doing a test after we completed the page. Just a link for this page, and then we have to go out and get the thank you page link. Okay, wait to load, need to go back out. Okay, so there's it takes a while to load, so that's why I cut this video for a while. I just skipped to the part where the InstaFunnels done loaded thing due to my slow internet connection right here. But no worries, we'll finally get it loaded. And we just go to the thank you page. I will need the link for this page. But before that, let's add a bit of stuff just to not keep it empty. Okay, add the section. Then we maybe just say add something simple. We just say thank you for your purchase. So at least I will know that the transaction is successful. Just click save. exit, get the link. Okay, so I'll get this link. Yeah, so this will be the thank you page, and this one will be the sales page. Okay, so now we'll go back to the sales page. I will need to import the link over to that customized button that I just made before. Okay, go back to here, click the code editor. Okay, so you see these two parts, success URL and also the cancel URL. So this will be the sales page, so put it in the cancel. So what this does is that in case the user decided to go back, this is the place they can go back to. And for success will be the thank you page, okay, when they're done, when they completed their transaction. Alright, we got these two up. Yes, save it. Save the page. Give it a while to load. Okay, save it, done. So now let's give it a try. Let's go back here again. Just want to see things work properly. Alright, let's go to the preview mode. Okay, I want to buy now, and you'll see the simple checkout button here. You may need to change the layout, push it somewhere to the middle. Seems like the code doesn't have doesn't have alignment, but never mind. I won't be showing that. Just I want to show you guys how it works, right? So for the formatting and stuff, you can do it at your own. You can do it when you start building your own site. So I'll just click the checkout button just to show you the payment gateway. Okay, so now we have set the digital product. So what I did just now is that the cancel URL, which is the back link, will be linked to the sales page. So I can see right here, this is the back button. So if I click the back button, it should go back to the sales page that we have just now, which is this one, right here. Okay, so I'll click the checkout again. Let's go back to the payment gateway. And we'll come this pay with the card. So what you can do is that you put your test card just to test your payment gateway. Here, then maybe this one will be any date in the future. Let's get 25, then we say 1, 2, 3, then you go to card test, then pay with card, just something as gmail.com. Alright, done with all this, and you just click pay. Your card has been declined. Let me see right here. Okay, give me a while to check, then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, I finally found the root cause of this problem. So apologies for another cut of the video. So what I found out is that the code snippet, because of the wrong product I have used. So just now the code snippet that I copied for the Stripe payment gateway for visitors to pay your product, is that I use the live data, which is wrong, live product, which is wrong. So I'll need to click the view test data mode so that I create the right product to copy it over to the payment gateway. Yeah, so the product must be a test product, not the actual live product where you actually charge money. So that's why things went wrong just now. So now I've actually activate the test mode and actually copied the checkout code snippet right here. So the process here is similar. I just changed the success and the fail URL, cancel URL, I'll say, right here, change it to the link, the sales page, and the thank you page. So the step is the same as the one I have mentioned before. So moving back, so I have fixed the code. You can see right here, this is already the new code based on the test mode, which is right here, the test mode. So now I have completed that process. Now let's do a preview on how things should work. Okay, so now we go to the preview mode. Alright, same thing. I want to buy now, and you click the checkout button. So once we move here, yeah, you should see there's a test mode here. That's why, because I was using a test mode for this video just for you guys to know how to build a payment gateway that works for you. So if I click the back, it should go back to the sales page right here, and I'll click the checkout again. So same thing, I'll just have a test mail. Then we have a Stripe card. Yep, this is one of the Stripe test card. You can find it in the Stripe website yourself. Paste it here, maybe some random date, card here, name, test, country, Malaysia. Okay, so once the customer done filling the details, they can just click here, pay 10 ringgit, process. Alright, complete. So once you're done, go to the thank you page. Thank you for your purchase. So that's all for the demo of this sales page building and the payment gateway integration. So if you're watching this from YouTube, please feel free to like and subscribe to this video for more similar tutorials like this, or even some of the marketing strategies I've shared on my channel. Or you can like and share via my Facebook page to those who need help in digital marketing. So this is Bernard C here from the MarketSolvers, and I'll see you in the next part of the video. So the next part of the video will be covering email automation, right? So don't miss out, and see you there.